Are you stressed because you can't figure out a way to earn money? Then this video is for you. Hello Growthhub family. I hope that you all are fine. In this video, I am going to tell you about a passive income source with the help of which you can earn a lot of money even if you are sleeping. This business model is called affiliate marketing. You can do it on different platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, etc. So let's talk about this model briefly. What is affiliate marketing? In affiliate marketing, we earn money by promoting others' products and services by our unique referral link, and if someone buy a product through our link, you will get the commission according to the product. Why affiliate marketing? Now you are thinking that why I only talking about affiliate marketing. So here are key benefits of affiliate marketing. Low startup cost. You don't need money to do affiliate marketing. The only thing you need is an affiliate account and a platform to promote your link, whether it's blog, YouTube channel, or social media profile. Passive income source. Once you set your affiliate link and product, you can earn money passively from anywhere and anytime through your links. Flexibility. You can match the product according to your interest and expertise and work on your affiliate link from anywhere. How affiliate marketing works. Join an affiliate program. You start up by signing for an affiliate account or program. These are run by different companies to promote their product and services. Promote the product. Once you are accepted into an affiliate program, you will get a unique affiliate link, which you can promote through different ways such as blogs, YouTube channel, and on other social media services. Earn commission. When someone uses your link to purchase a product, you will get a commission according to the affiliate program. How to get started. Here are steps to start affiliate marketing. Choose a niche. First thing, you have to choose a niche according to your interest, market demand, or trend, so that you can choose the right products and right audience to promote your link. Choose an affiliate program. Look for affiliate programs that offer products or services related to your niche. Create quality content. Start creating quality content that tells people about your product. Make sure that the content is informative and engaging so that it can reach to as more audience as possible. And attach the affiliate link in your video. So guys, that's today's video. If you like the video, then please leave a thumbs up, and for more quality content, subscribe to Growth Guru.